Good evening. It is 11 o'clock at this hour and 4 degrees in Yarmouth. Welcome. This is the Tri-County Weather Service Evening Weather Report at 11 o'clock. We'll go to our first headline of the night. We'll start with the hurricane season from last year and the upcoming hurricane season for this year. On St. Patrick's Day, the World Meteorological Organization's Hurricane Committee has retired Hurricane Dorian from 2019 and Laura, Ada, and Iota from 2020. From the rotating list of Atlantic tropical and cyclone names because of the death and destruction they have caused, it is also decided that the Greek alphabet will no longer be used in the future because it creates a distraction from the communication of hazard and storm warnings and is potentially confusing. The Hurricane Committee, which serves North America, Central America, and the Caribbean, WMO Regional Association 5, has agreed to the changes in its name convention in its virtual session from the 15th to the 17th of March. The meeting reviewed the record-breaking 2020 hurricane season and fine-tuned preparations for the 2021 upcoming hurricane season, including the provision of forecasts and warnings, as well as the impact assessments for wind, storm surge, and flooding hazards. Members of the Hurricane Committee who are from the National Meteorological and Hydrological Services throughout the region discussed the formation of named storms prior to the official start of the hurricane season on June 1st, but the committee has agreed that there will be no changes to the official start date of the Atlantic hurricane season in 2021. In other weather headlines, Nova Scotia has been dealing with some very above normal temperatures over the last couple of days, and today was definitely not an exception. Temperatures today skyrocketed as high as 16 to even 17 degrees in parts of the Tri-Counties and Southern Shores, as well as in Annapolis County. We have temperatures, once again, that has broken records. For Shelburne County, they have broken a record from 2012 from 11 degrees now to a record-breaking 14 degrees that was officially high today. The high temperature of 14 today breaks the temperature of 2012 of 11 degrees, and more record-breaking temperatures are expected to have fallen earlier today and are still being accumulated. Record temperatures are still expected to continue as we get into the rest of this week until by Friday when a storm system comes through to bring some beneficial rains and some cooler temperatures. In other weather headlines, a storm system that is over the Midwest is poised to bring some heavy rains and strong winds to the Maritimes for late in the week into the weekend. Heavy rainfall of 1 to 2 inches or 25 to 50 millimeters is possible as we get into Friday into Saturday, and strong gusty winds gusting upwards of 80 kilometers per hour is possible. With the heat combined with the colder air to the north, it is possible we could see a line of thunderstorms that could be fairly strong as we get into Friday night before early Saturday morning. It is possible that the system could also bring some early snow for Saturday morning before it exits for Saturday afternoon. Another storm system is expected for Monday that will be closer to the coast. That could bring some heavy snow in the morning before it changes to some very heavy rain and gusty winds on Monday afternoon. When we come back, we will have more on the traffic and the current weather conditions. As well, of course, we got your detailed weather forecast coming up a little bit in the show. But right now, here is Ralaluli's Kitchen by Carmen Maria and Edu Estonol. Welcome back. The local time is 11:08 p.m. and 4 degrees. Let's take a look now as we take a look at the current conditions. We'll start with the traffic though. Traffic in the area. We had some very thick fog earlier in Pimlico Highway 103 East. That seems to be the case still. The latest imagery of the webcam show that the thick fog continues to be there. Very thick fog on the Pimlico Highway 103 East. If you are driving that way, please be careful. Have your headlights on and drive slow. For Granite Village Highway 103 West, we have some very light fog, but other than that, we have dry roads and no traffic. No traffic and dry roads on the Yarmouth Highway 101 North. We have dry roads and no traffic on Meteghan Highway 101 North. And we have no traffic and dry roads on Cornwallis Digby Highway 101 West. And finally, for Bridgewater Highway 103 South, we have no traffic and dry roads. Take a look right now at the current temperatures at this hour. Here are the current temperatures. We have 4 degrees in Yarmouth. We have 5 degrees in Briar Island. We have 3 degrees in Kijimek Park. 5 degrees in Greenwood. 6 in Kedville. 3 in Western Head and Shelburne. And 4 in Bacarrow. When we come back, we will have more on your forecast as well as the detailed 7-day forecast coming up very shortly.